All right, good Thursday evening, everyone. We've had the showers. We've had the thunderstorms across the region really all day long, mainly on the Kansas side, scattered showers and thunderstorms, but at least some severe weather throughout the afternoon and into the evening hours. We've even had a few tornado warnings, a couple brief touchdowns as well. Severe weather and strong storms are going to continue throughout the evening and the overnight hours for us tonight. So let's get to it. Let me show you what is going on for us right now. In the purple, that is a tornado watch. In the orange, that is a severe thunderstorm watch. In the yellow, those are severe thunderstorm warnings. We don't have any tornado warnings at this time, which is good news. You can see the complex right through here, southeastern Kansas, that has been affecting us over the past couple hours. And then this line, really from Topeka to Wichita down through north central parts of Oklahoma. That's with the cold front itself. That's going to be the line of storms that affects everyone during the overnight hours tonight. Let's zoom in. First off, we have this little guy, actually a pretty strong storm, that is still a severe thunderstorm warning. And we are looking north of Fort Scott, so it has some gusty winds and some large hail. And this is going to continue to race northeast into Vernon County, so it's going to affect Nevada, Rich Hill, Butler as we head through about the next 15 to 20 minutes and then continue to push into St. Clair and Cedar counties over the next hour or so. A little bit of a break. Another complex, which is now pushing into Wilson and Woodson counties, and again, very strong storm, could have some small hail, also some gusty winds, and then you can see the main line. This will continue to increase in coverage and then push off toward the south and to the east. So this main line's the one that's going to get everybody. So it's going to be, from Chanute to Independence here in an hour and a half, and then eventually near the I-44 corridor, affecting the Joplin Metro here in 3 to 4 hours. So everybody's going to get into the showers and thunderstorms, which you can see on our future track forecast. Let's go through time. Here's 11 p.m. That main line here, some scattered thunderstorms ahead of it. Main threat from this point on, switching all over to hail and wind until about midnight for us tonight. As we continue until 1 a.m., still a hail and wind threat, but we're switching over to heavy rain threat at this time as it works into southwestern parts of Missouri. Let's continue. Here's 4 a.m., still scattered thunderstorms. The front's working through, cooler temperatures are working in, and still a heavy rain threat. And then by tomorrow morning, just a few scattered showers. We're going to have some clouds around during the morning. The afternoon looks fine. In fact, temperatures quite a bit cooler. Look at this, a high of only 65 during the afternoon. I do want to drop south and east. We got a major hurricane. Look at this guy spinning. This is impressive what a hurricane can do. You got the clouds fanning out, and then you got the radar here that you can see the counterclockwise spin. It is just north and east of Miami, and look at the eye wall right in here is moving northwest at 13 miles per hour. It is still a Category 4, a very weak Category 4 at 130 miles per hour. It's going to track northwest right along the coast. Now remember, the strongest winds are right on the right side of the hurricane. So if the right side of the hurricane never makes landfall, that's, I guess, the best part of this hurricane is the right side's never going to make landfall. But it's going to ride right up along the coast. By the time it passes Daytona Beach, it should start to weaken, and then it continues that right turn, but it hangs right along the coast. So extremely heavy amounts of rain. This is still a major hurricane, and then becomes a 2, and then eventually a 1. And then actually could loop back around as a tropical storm and hit Florida again, which would be fairly interesting. So that's something we're also watching over the next day or two. 65 for us. Tomorrow, 72, 75 on Sunday. It looks great, back near 80 by Tuesday. And then a slight chance we could see a little bit of rain by next Wednesday. Of course, I'm going to keep you updated on severe thunderstorms for us tonight. Have a great evening.